Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of ants. Number 1. Canned paper. If you don't have cinnamon but you have a jar of canned paper, sprinkle the powder around the entrance of your home, baseboard or problem areas. Just make sure the mixture is always from any pets or childs. Why this works? Canned paper is similar to cinnamon in that it has a strong smell that is irritating to ants. This natural ant repellent removes ants from your home by stifling their trails to mask the scent they were attracted to in the first place. Thus confuse them. Number 2. Soap or cleaner spray. An easy natural ant repellent is dish soap and glass cleaner spray. Not only does this get rid of your aunt's problem, but it also cleans your house. Grab a spray bottle and mix together your dish soap and water or opt for just your glass cleaner. Whichever mix you prefer, spray on the entrance of your house ants are coming in or spray on top of the ants. Why this works? Soap and glass cleaners contain chemicals that kill ants on contact. This is a great way to minimize the problem fast for an ant-free home.